you ever been injured in an accident, it wasn't your fault, call a law firm, which we might be open. Probably depends on the time zone. I'm Angus Morrison, a law attorney. Angus Morrison, law attorney! Hey, have you ever been injured and wanted to sue for it? You should probably pick up the phone and call somebody instead of watching TV. You're not going to get anything done that way. I'm Angus Morrison, law attorney. Angus Morrison, law attorney! You ever broken your leg while on the job and you want to just get some money for it? Well, you have to get up and walk here because we don't have any ramps. Tough luck, buddy. I'm Angus Morrison, law attorney. Angus Morrison, law attorney! You ever wanted to own a pet dinosaur, but you realize they don't exist anymore? You should probably call a magician or something. I'm not that kind of law firm. I'm Angus Morrison, law attorney. Angus Morrison, law attorney! Look at me. I'm on a pogo stick. Not really, but you can't tell because this is a radio spot. I'm Angus Morrison, law attorney. Angus Morrison, law attorney! I once had an accident that involved 3 bears in a bowling pin. I won't tell you what happened, but let's say the bear's butt is pretty sore right now. I'm Angus Morrison, law attorney. Angus Morrison, law attorney! Have you ever broken your arm in a settlement over another settlement that was going to give you $5,000? You probably shouldn't loan money to loan sharks, stupid. I'm Angus Morrison, law attorney. Angus Morrison, law attorney! You ever made a sandwich and you forgot that it had mustard on it and you were really confused because you're not allergic to anything? You're not, but it still made you feel like garbage? It's probably because you used rancid meat. I can't help you on that one. I'm Angus Morrison, law attorney. Angus Morrison, law attorney! I once went to Hawaii to look at the killer whales, but there weren't any whales, and they certainly weren't killing anybody, unless they were doing it while I couldn't see them. I'm Angus Morrison, law attorney. Angus Morrison, law attorney! One time I wrestled 3 alligators with nothing but my pinky toe. I only have 9 toes now. I'm Angus Morrison, 9 toes. Angus Morrison's only got 9 toes! This one time I was working at a law firm and the fan got caught in an electrical fire. And so I put it out with a fire extinguisher. Have you ever tried that with water? You'll probably get electrocuted. I'm Angus Morrison, law attorney. Angus Morrison, law attorney! Have you ever been injured in an accident that wasn't your fault? You've got 5 seconds on the phone with us before we start charging. Better talk fast. I'm Angus Morrison, law attorney. Angus Morrison, law attorney! This one time we went to Athens over summer break. Well, it was nice and snowy. And I broke my leg in a skiing accident. And I sued the law firm there and got over $100. I'm Angus Morrison, 100 hair. Angus Morrison, 100 hair. Have you ever been watching the Hunger Games, but then you realized your TV was off and you were eating your dog's skeleton? It tasted pretty good. You should try that on a burger. I'm Angus Morrison, future fast food franchise businessman. Angus Morrison, future fast food businessman. So one time I was trying on jeans at a casual male because I'm so big and fat and stupid. And I told the waiter, there's frog in my soup. And he said, what are you talking about? This is a clothes store. And I said, well, you explain to me how it got in there. I'm Angus Morrison, law attorney. Not. Do you know Roth Death ARMLIDLNAO? That's not how you spell armadillo. I'm Angus Morrison, law attorney. If you've ever been drinking out with your friends and you realized you were home and you were asleep, but then you woke up and you realized it was Monday and you were late for work, so you went to work, but you realized it was actually Sunday and you forgot to wind your clocks back a day because that's what you do during daylight saving time, you should probably take care of that now before it gets any worse. I'm letting you know, I'm Angus Morrison, you're the greatest Time Lord. Angus Morrison, you're the greatest Time Lord. This one time I went to the zoo with my mom. And we saw the monkeys, and one of the monkeys was throwing a poo, and it hit one of the giraffes in the neck. Giraffe didn't notice their necks are too big. I'm Angus Morrison, zoologist. Angus Morrison, zoologist. If you ever want to learn how to shred on the ukulele, you should probably talk to me. I'm Angus Morrison, law attorney. Angus Morrison, law attorney.